All right, and so special thanks to this company for sending me this cordless lithium drill. This has a 20+1 torque setting, built-in LED work light, power indicator on the machine body, 12 volt. Also has full manual that came in the box as well. And they've been in business in the USA since 2005. They wanted me to make an unboxing of this product for you. So here's a little look around the box, and then we'll of course go through and unbox this to show you everything that comes inside of here. This is a nice diagram of everything that this cordless drill can do, and that's really about it. Let's open it up, see what we have here. So right on top, oh, that's the bag. Wow, a little more weight than I anticipated. It's ready to go out of the box like that. Definitely feels strong. Got a light, so a very nice filling drill, much heavier than I really thought it would be. So we've got a charging base in here as well. Looks like you're able to just set this on it some kind of way. No. So you take out these two screws. That's how you can get your battery out. That then fits into here to charge with this included power adapter to charge your battery. And then lastly, looks like some bits maybe. Well, that's it for the box. So let's see what this actually is. So yeah, there's a drill bit. So a few different drill bits are included here. Another one. All kinds of nice bits are included here. Look at this. Almost everything you'd need with it. So for that. So yeah, besides the two I already took out, we've got these even smaller ones. Look at that. That is like a toothpick. Wow. Didn't even know they made drill bits that size. And then Phillips head, some flatheads, and even one of these. Very, very nice. Love that it comes with all these nice accessories. Looks like you get 4 sizes of Phillips heads and 2 sizes of flatheads. But very, very nice drill. Honestly, like I said, it feels really good and strong in the hands. And I can even switch it up to high. Like, this is way stronger than the other 12 volt drill that I had. This is just a super strong drill. So very nice. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video of this cordless drill, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.